Clinical depression is a disorder that affects mood, thinking, and behavior. Scientists do not yet fully understand the brain mechanisms underlying depression, in part because the disorder arises from a complex interplay of biological and environmental influences. One of the best-known ideas about the biology of depression is the serotonin hypothesis, which proposed that depression is linked to reduced serotonin signaling. Although serotonin appears to play a role in depression in some individuals, researchers now recognize that the disorder cannot be explained by a simple serotonin deficiency. Instead, it seems to involve broader changes in brain function, such as alterations in other neurotransmitter systems and differences in the activity of brain networks involved in emotion, reward, and cognitive control. Research has also implicated other biological systems in depression. One of these is the HPA axis, a major stress response system. In some people with depression, this system appears to be overactive, leading to elevated levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Over time, high cortisol levels may negatively affect brain regions involved in emotion, memory, and decision-making. The immune system may be implicated in some cases of depression as well. Inflammatory molecules released by the immune system can influence neural activity, and chronic inflammation has been linked to changes in brain function and behavior that may contribute to depressive symptoms. Some evidence also suggests that depression involves disruptions in neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change and adapt throughout life. These disruptions may be related to reduced levels of BDNF, a protein that supports neuron growth and survival. Altered BDNF signaling could be linked to a decreased ability of the brain to adapt to experiences and stress in ways that promote psychological well-being.